Compensar Foundation University, October 2024. Music is life. I will talk about my favorite band. Let's go. Hello, my name is Aison Cruz. I am 40 years old. I am a business management and technology. I am currently studying in the 7th semester and business administration at Compensar University Foundation. I'm working is important and pushing analysis Kia Motors company from years. Now I'm going to speak about my favorite band and your singer. Artist is Coldplay, kind of music, pop rock, alternative rock. And my two favorite songs are The Saints and Sky Full of Stars. How I am describing the favorite songs, they are fantastic. I make to feel in many things by mainly and the love and the happiness and the although the romantics. They make us remember and transport to and they make beautiful time of school and the time of falling in love. Why are the things so important to me and this band? Is because I'm liking their lyrics and their song and because they are them making make and remember my thing about my life and that lived in at that time. About well guys, today I'm going to tell about my favorite music band. This is Coldplay. It is the pop rock and alternative rock genre. And the amazing vocalist is Chris Martin. It's in British band. It formed in London in 1997 and composed of 5 members. It's fantastic band. It's fun. Third is a Carter ATC produced many albums. These have many beautiful songs. Its next Connects concert and will be this some month of October on the 13th and 31 and also on November 2 and 3 in Australia. Next year we'll come again to Colombia. Many people listening my favorite bands. But in my case, I watched it and concert in YouTube. Today is using much sound and like effects. I could only see a few from my screen. The next day, and they had many interviews and many people took many photos. Boy and boy to stand poster and pay to a lot of money. It's was wonderful for me. Members of bands. Gary Berryman is electric bass. Phil Harvey is guitars. And Will Champion drummer. And John Buckland is guitar. And principal singer is Chris Martin, lead and vocalist and guitar. I thank you and all the attention given and creating to art. Bye.